Okay, so now we're here at Feather Sound Country Club. Why don't we go inside? Okay, now that we're in the main ballroom at Feather Sound Country Club, the Rail Forum on April 29th at 2 o'clock. Besides our guest speakers, our invited guests include citizens of Pinellas County, businessmen, state representatives, city mayors, councilmen, and county commissioners. To lead off the event, Barb Haselden will present us with a slide presentation of local issues and events. Our first guest speaker, Randle, CATO Institute. He's a senior fellow and author of Gridlock, followed by Ed Braddy, Executive Director, American Dream Coalition, hails from Gainsville, Florida. Both will have a Q&A to follow. After the event, why not stay for the cocktail hour and enjoy your favorite drink, hobnob with like-minded guests. You could go to the railtaxfacts.com to get all the details and a map. This is Sully 912 News, South Pinellas 912 Patriots. I hope to see you at the Rail Forum on April 29th at 2 o'clock. See you then.